Independence Day Men's Football Tournament sang ni som ni panga semi-final 2 August ni som pathum ni lai ni Khan RG Stadium Mualpuya khelzo ania dar thuma Aizawl FC le Chanmari FC te anin khela Chanmari FC le Aizawl FC te hi I League Club ania Chanmari FC hianin 3-1 in nenan changa final an lut hein khela hian Chanmari FC jersey number 30 lal tuang liana chu player of the match thlanani semi-final in khel nung jok hi Zandaruka khelania Sai Kamakon FC le Kanan FC te khela hmunom khop maya Sai Kamakon hianin 3-2 in an hea final lut deboka hein khela hian Sai Kamakon FC jersey number songpanga Kiran Chetri hi player of the match thlan ani final hi August ni songpanga khanjir top ni Rajiv Gandhi Stadium khel tur ani heta hianin veteran hianin final dar thuma an khel venga ta hian Ramhlun United veteran le DTS FC 10 final an khelanga Inter College Women's lam hianin darnga final khel ve lenga ta chuan Pachong University College le Government Frank College ten final an khel anga Independence Day Football Tournament 2 Boardwalk ani don ani
Hi day semi final Sai Kamakon le Kanan te Sai Kamakon in 3-2 in nenan changa final an lut Sai Kamakon he fan kon ne thakop maya hian Chanmari FC nen final an khel don ni